All right, endless controversy over Kangana Ranaut's upcoming film Emergency. Now the Akali Dal has also shot off a letter to the censor board seeking that Kangana's movie Emergency is not released. A legal notice has been sent to the censor board and to Kangana Ranaut's production house by Akali Dal. The notice says if action is not taken, they will go ahead and take all necessary legal actions before court to stop the release of the film. Srishti Oja is joining us with more details on this. Srishti, you've got Sikh groups speaking out, and now the Akali Dal also seeking a halting on the film's release.
Shiromani Akali Dal's Delhi State Unit has now called upon the CBFC, the central, the CBFC, to prevent the release of Kangana Ranaut's upcoming movie Emergency. The president of the state unit has sent a legal notice now to CBFC and Kangana Ranaut's production house, stating that the movie should not be released. They have said that Kangana Ranaut is notorious for her anti-Sikh rhetoric and has chosen the subject of, according to them, the it has misrepresented the Sikh community and also in a way promoted hatred and social discord. So according to them, the film has the potential to incite communal tensions and spread misinformation, which is why they've called on the CBFC and its chairman to immediately revoke the movie's certification and also block its release, failing which, and take legal action before courts with regard to the release of the movie. Back to you.
Srishti, any response that's come in right now from the censor board on this request? All right, apologies. We've lost the connection with Srishti, but trouble mounting now for Kangana Ranaut as the Akali Dal has shot off a legal notice to the censor board, essentially asking for the movie certification to be immediately revoked and to block the release of the film Emergency, because the Akali Dal in its legal notice has said that there is an attempt to target the Sikh community with this film. That's not the only big update coming in. In the state of Telangana, the Sikh community is demanding a ban on the release of Kangana's film Emergency. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has reportedly assured Sikh leaders that the state government will consider their request. This was an 18-member delegation from the Telangana Sikh Society that met with the Chief Minister, and they expressed deep concern, saying that the film's portrayal of Sikhs was as terrorists and anti-nationals, which they find offensive and damaging to their community's image.
उनका वो रिप्रेजेंटेशन पर मैंने खुद भी एक चिट्ठी बनाई सीएम साहब को, और दोनों रिप्रेजेंटेशन कल चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब को मैंने सबमिट किया। चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने अपने जो अवेलेबल मिनिस्टर्स के साथ डिस्कशन करें और ये कहा कि इसके ऊपर श्रीधर बाबू मिनिस्टर को कहें कि बेंगलुरु कर्नाटक गवर्नमेंट से भी बात करिए कि और बाकी के जगह बात करके हम 1-2 दिन के अंदर रिपोर्ट सारी मंगाओ, फिर हम बैठकर इस पर डिसीजन लेंगे। तो किसी भी मजहब के लोगों को इंसल्ट करना ये बुरी बात है। इस देश के अंदर अमन और भाईचारे की गंगा जमुना तहजीब मिलाने की फिल्में तो कोई नहीं ला रहे हैं। जब से बीजेपी की सरकार आई है, नफरत फैलाने वाले फिल्म अगर आए तो उसको स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं, ढूंढ के दे रहे हैं कि भाई चलाओ फिल्म को, हम पैसा देते हैं।
So even as the Telangana government is considering a ban on the film, the Akali Dal has now sent across a legal notice to the censor board. Paramjit Singh Sarna, Delhi Akali Dal chief, is joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Sarna, what exactly is the Akali Dal's objection to the film? It's not even been released yet.
Listen, there is not even 1% truth in that film.
But how do you know, sir? The film hasn't been released. You haven't seen the movie.
We have seen the trailer, and one of my friends in Bombay has seen the film also. It was a special show for them. The problem is, in 1975, when emergency was imposed on 5th of June, Akali Dal working committee and leaders, they have discussed everything in the working committee. They have offered from Srimati Indira Gandhi, then Prime Minister of India, that you should not impose any morcha or any other thing against emergency. We will fulfill all demands of the Akalis including Chandigarh, will be given to Punjab. But our leaders, mainly Jathedar Mohan Singh Tod, Gurcharan Singh Toda, and Sant Longowal, they say that we will fight for the democracy. And this emergency should go. They stand by the people of India. And there was, if you can see the history, there was nothing in Punjab before 82. Nothing. No terrorism, no killing, nothing else.
Talking about this movie, sir. Talking about this movie.
No other party has any type of agitation against the government. All the leaders were in prison, and only Akali Dal took the way for the people of our country.
Sure,
and
but sir, talking about the film, the other side, and I know that there are multiple voices like yours who say that the film must not be released, but what about freedom of expression? Is the counter that comes into that?
Pardon? Because I am out of India, their voice is coming little less.
So if you can hear me, the counter argument to you and to many other Sikh groups who believe the film should not be released is, what about freedom of expression?
Madam, what they are talking? There are only, at that time, there was only one party, Shiromani Akali Dal, who represents Sikhs in all over the world, not only in Punjab. There was no party during that time.
No, today, sir. Today, on this film.
And I don't know who has taken talking about this.
Okay.
One thing I will request you through you, those people who are distorting the history, and that is only 50 years old. We are still alive, we know each and everything about that. They should be hanged. They should be punished so that nobody could dare. And also, we also request the Indian government, they should take notice who is behind this, who is making this film and who is financing her.
Okay, so you believe that the government should intervene in this matter. Thank you very much for joining us here on India Today. The Delhi Akali Dal chief saying that history has been distorted in this film, and based on the trailer itself, they feel it will offend Sikh sentiments.